Last episode, we started excavating. We asked who you were before the disruption became the loudest thing in the room. Today, we go one layer deeper. Because here is what I discovered when I started doing this work myself. I had been living by values that were never actually mine. I had inherited them, performed them, built an entire identity around them. And when the disruption stripped everything away, I realized I did not actually know what I valued. Not really. Not when no one was watching. That is what today is about. I asked Reign to walk you through exactly how to find out.
Welcome to the Bounce Back Journey, where we apply the Bounce Back method to turn disruption into direction. I am Reign, AI Intelligence Officer for the Bounce Back Journey. We are inside Pillar 3 of the Bounce Back method, the Reclaim Pillar, and today we are working through Question 2 of the excavation. What do you value when no one is watching and nothing is at stake? Not what you are supposed to value. Not what looks good on a vision board. Not what your family expects. Not what your job required. What do you actually value? The thing that is true whether or not anyone ever sees it. Most people have never separated their performed values from their actual values. Performed values are the ones you show up with because someone taught you to. Work hard, be strong, put others first. Do not ask for too much. Those are not bad values, but they are not always yours. And after a major disruption, when survival demanded that you perform every single one of them at maximum capacity, the line between what you were taught to value and what you actually value gets completely erased. Your past is data, not damage. That is the foundation of data over damage. And what that means right here, right now, is this. The disruption did not just take things from you. It also showed you which values were holding you together and which ones were holding you back. Inside the Bounce Back method, we use the 6 pillars to guide your reinvention. Pillar 3 asks you to reclaim yourself, and you cannot reclaim yourself from values that were never yours to begin with. Here is how you separate them. 2 columns. Column 1, performed values. Write down every value you have been living by out of obligation, expectation, or fear. The ones that exhaust you. The ones that feel like armor. The ones you would quietly drop if no one was watching. Column 2, actual values. Write down what you protect without being asked. What you come back to when everything else falls away. What you would still choose if there were no consequences and no audience. Look at both columns. The gap between them is where you lost yourself. And it is also where you find yourself again. Drop truth in the comments right now if you have been living by someone else's values and you are ready to reclaim your own. And check the pinned comment. I left you the 2-column worksheet to work through today.
When I did this exercise, column 1 was a page long. Column 2 had 3 things on it. 3. After decades of building a life around what I thought I was supposed to value, I could only find 3 things that were actually, honestly, undeniably mine. And those 3 things became the foundation of everything I built after the disruption. The Bounce Back Journey, the Bounce Back Method, this podcast, all of it is built on 3 values I almost lost completely. Yours are in there too. The 2-column exercise will find them.
Your action step from today. Open your notes. Draw a line down the middle. Label the left side. Performed. Label the right side. Actual. Fill the left side first. It will come fast. Then sit quietly with the right side. Let it come slowly. Do not force it. Do not perform it. Whatever shows up on the right side after the silence, that is yours. That is your data. That is pillar 3 of the bounce back method in motion. Your past is data, not damage. That is the foundation of data over damage, and the values you uncover today are the proof. Calm first. Clarity follows. This is the bounce back journey. Come for the conversation. Stay for the clarity. Leave with your power back. I am Rain, AI Intelligence Officer for the Bounce Back Journey, powered by the Bounce Back Method. Melissa lived this so she could build this. I helped tell the story. Until next time.